Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to react to trending TikTok DIY project ideas. So it looks like someone might be making some type of vase here with the mirrors and the blocks of wood. Oh wow, that is absolutely stunning. Such a cool idea. Wow, that looks gorgeous. I love how they paired like the glam with the bohemian of the pampas grass. That is so cool. What is that thing? It's like a foot warmer. Oh wow. That'd be like a nice cozy vibe for your living room. I love these string of curtain lights. Yeah, this whole room is definitely a vibe for sure. So it looks like we have a bathroom makeover. Now you always have to be careful when you're like applying these types of tiles and adhesives to your bathroom walls. But wow, what a difference. That was crazy. They definitely upgraded their space. Oh, a nice, easy, simple dollar store project. Watch us put up cloud with background. This is actually a really cool idea. But to make like a whole wall out of this with the clouds, I've never seen that before. I don't know how I feel about this. Wow. It's like I don't hate it. It's definitely a vibe. It's something different. Definitely something different. Usually when I see like the cloud thing, it's usually done on like the ceiling. So seeing it on the wall was like kind of trippy. So we have a DIY fireplace. These always come out so amazing to me. Wow, they did an amazing job with that. Absolutely stunning. Very cool. So someone adding lights to their laptop. That's cool. Sometimes I have to wonder though, like we're in the air where we're using like all these funky lights. Like, is this doing something to our eyes? Will this do something to our eyes in the long run? I always wonder that. Like, we're obsessed with these lights now. Oh, what is this? Just like a decorative statement piece. Wow, it's really gorgeous. So we have a Valentine's inspired DIY. That's cute. That would be like a nice little centerpiece. Oh, they're putting roses in there. Oh, that's cute. That's nice. I don't really decorate for Valentine's Day. Like, that's the one holiday that I'm just kind of like, okay, I'm not going to decorate it for. I don't know. I just don't decorate for Valentine's Day. Alright, you guys, so if you want to see more DIY project ideas and reactions, be sure to check out this video next.